Have you ever thought about doing the big chop? If you have been contemplating making a major change to your hair, then this video is for you. Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dami the YouTuber. On this channel, we do natural hair, commentary, and lifestyle. Now, I do not normally do faceless videos, but this is me just trying it out. Let me know what you think about this format in the comment section. Do you think I should do more of this? Today, we are diving into the world of natural hair care and exploring the concept of the big chop. For those unfamiliar, the big chop involves cutting off all chemically treated or damaged hair to embrace one's natural hair texture from the roots. Now, making the decision to do the big chop can be very daunting. For me, doing the big chop was more of symbolic for me. I did the big chop in January 2024, a few days after the New Year celebration. I wanted to start the new year with a new look and a new mindset. My hair was damaged because I had constantly dyed my hair in 2023, and it was also relaxed, so it looked very unhealthy, and I decided to let it go. I faced fears and uncertainties about how I would look with short hair. I was concerned about societal standards of beauty and worried about the maintenance of my new natural hair. But I decided to not think about all of that and just do it. At first, I felt very ugly and masculine. But with time and motivation from watching some YouTube natural hair creators, I embraced it and looked at myself differently. I wasn't going to let society standards of beauty define me, and I felt confident. And then I researched a lot about my hair texture, and I loved every moment of the discovery. The big chop comes with a myriad of benefits. By embracing your natural hair texture, you're not only freeing yourself from damaging chemicals, but also promoting healthy hair growth. Natural hair, 4C hair, is versatile, unique, and beautiful in its own right. I've experienced a newfound sense of confidence, self-love, and empowerment. My hair journey has been a transformational experience that goes beyond just physical appearance. In conclusion, the big chop is a personal choice that can lead to self-discovery and empowerment. While there are challenges and uncertainties, the rewards of embracing your natural hair are immeasurable. Remember, beauty comes in all shapes, sizes, and texture. No matter the texture of your hair, you are beautiful. I encourage you to share your own big chop experiences in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to embracing our natural beauty. Don't forget to subscribe for more hair care tips and inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and bye.